Technology is much enhanced today. Then how technological equipment that is drone is saving us from corona? Do you have this question in your mind? Then watch the video till end. In this corona period, some people are learning new things, whereas some people are enjoying their day, whereas some people are playing, whereas some people are working hard to fight against corona. Incredible. Whereas our small brother drone is working a lot and hard to fight against corona. Wow. So without any further ado, let's get started. First one is detecting the ill person. In this drone from the sky, identify whether the person is likely to suffer from corona by checking its temperature and other things through technology, and if the person is likely to suffer, then the information will be provided to particular department office. Next one is disinfecting common areas. Here drone from the sky throws out sanitizer like substance and other chemical substance so that the corona and other germ particle which are remaining on the road and other area will be killed. Next one is drone is providing information to police. Basically here drone collect the information of the people and provide to police department. Next one is distributing food and medicine from drone to people's home so that people can be served easily and they can be facilitated. Drone, do you want to say something to our viewers?
Yes, don't forget to share this video and subscribe to this tech channel.
If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel yet, then do subscribe our YouTube channel and like our video, which gives us motivation.
So see you soon with next tech episode.